Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes, and today we are going to be changing the absorber on the rear bonnet of the Proton Inspira aka Lancer 08. So let's get to it. Okay, a most common problem that we have with the absorber on the rear bonnet is that it gives out over time, meaning that it no longer holds the bonnet properly and it falls easily like this. Okay, so that is because the absorber that is over here has already lost its pressure or gas or whatever. So we will need to remove this and change it to a new one, and I have the replacement part over here. Do note that all these are not original. This is not original. I've changed this once before because the original already gave up years ago. I've been using this for a couple of years and it's time to change it. So let's get to it. Okay, so to remove this, what you need to do first is you need to use a flathead screwdriver and then pry the back here. So this clip here, it goes to the back. So what you need to do is just pry it from the back. Then use a smaller screwdriver and remove this. Okay, once you got it out, do the same for the bottom as well. Then now what you need to do is you need to use a mallet, or you can just pull it out. Okay, so this is a 01, very rusty. And it no longer shocks anything. So to install the new one, just grab it. There's no left and right difference, so the only thing you need to do is you need to make sure that both of these face the same direction, here and here, the holes, and make sure the gas strut, this portion, not the shaft, the strut is facing upwards. So let's get to that. Okay, to unlock this first, you will need to put this in and just pry it up first. Okay, so what you need to do is just pry this up. Okay, you will see the difference over here, if you can see the metal. As you pry, it opens. So you need to pry this and put it into the ball joint here. Once that is done, what you need to do is just turn this to tighten it. Okay, and that's done. So you need to do it on both sides. And on to the summary. Okay, and so we are done, and that's how we change the rear gas absorber for the rear bonnet of the Proton Inspira aka Lancer 08. As you can see, I'm going to show it to you now. Compared to earlier, whereby just like this, it will fall down. Now it lifts up. Okay, so closing it would be much better rather than it falling down. Okay, so how long it take for this DIY? Probably 5 minutes for both sides. It's a very simple DIY. Just unclip, heat it out, loosen the clip, put it in, and that's it. Alright, so the left and the right, there's no distinction. You can swap the absorbers either way, but make sure this portion is on the top, this portion is on the top. And yeah, you're probably wondering what is the cost of this. So these are non-original Mitsubishi. I did go to Mitsubishi's service center as well as Proton's service center and ask either no stock or it's about 150 ringgit one side. 150 ringgit one side, so both sides is about 300. If you ask them to do it for you, they will probably charge you another 50 ringgit. So this one I got it off Shopee. You can get it from AliExpress as well. It's 70 ringgit for both sides. 68 ringgit for both sides actually. 68 ringgit 66 cents. So that's like less than 12 US dollar for both sides. That's cheap and it works. And obviously the material is better than the one that I had last time. The one I had is all these metal joints which is over time sure to rust and looks ugly. The new one looks much better. Okay, simple DIY. I hope you learned something. And if you like this video, hit this. If you dislike it, you can always hit this, but leave us a comment down below on what to improve further. If you have not done so, make sure you hit the subscribe or I'm gonna throw this into your nose. Shove this up your nose. Alright? Hit the subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell button so you get notified on our future uploads. Till then, I will see you again.